Hi, I'm Pastor Sarah, aka Disorganized.Religion on TikTok, where I have a successful ministry with over 140,000 followers. And I want to talk to you today about something a lot of new creators ask me, which is, how do I decide what kind of videos I want to make on TikTok? I'm going to give you some questions that might trigger some ideas. First, what is something that you're passionate about? Do we really need a rainbow flag on the church building? Yes. What's something that you could talk about for 3 hours without getting bored?
Today we're going to tell you another way to recognize a fake service dog.
Second, do you have a hot take on a current event that you're not hearing anybody else talk about?
Can you please start wearing a mask when you get food in the drive-thru? You're like 2 feet away from the people giving you food. Like, if you're gonna infect somebody, can it not be the person in charge of my chicken nuggets?
Third, what are you inspired by right now? Number 4, what is your dog or cat or parakeet doing that's super cute right now? Maybe you should film it.
Do you want to form an alliance with me?
Absolutely, I do.
Good.
If you're a clergy person like me, what's the scripture for Sunday, and what good news do you have to share about it with the world? You can keep going down that progressive Christian path, Karen, but God's gonna judge you accordingly. Sounds like I'm already being judged, Belinda. Pastor, there was a judgy side to Jesus. He called people out for not caring for the poor and for abusing people his society called other. He also judged gatekeeping religious people. If those don't get you inspired and give you some ideas about what content to create, try this. First, watch more TikTok. Get inspired, see what you like. Second, try a duet. TikTok has a feature where you can click this little share icon and select duet. Whatever you film on your screen will show up next to that content that you really like. It's a great way to get started and another great way to boost other people's videos. It's a good way to wade into the waters. Good luck. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow for more tips.